When you need new tyres, you want great service at a fair deal, and Fair Deal Tyres Limited have the tyres and the price that's just right for you. For domestic, commercial and high-performance vehicles, our range of tyres and expertise will have you safely back on the road in no time. We know that it can be a challenge to decide which are the right tyres for you, so visit our tyre centres in either Grangemouth or Crossgates and speak to our expert team of fitters, whose experience and training mean that you know that you'll be getting honest advice and a fair deal. We are a family-owned business and have been fitting tyres for over 30 years. Wheel rebalancing and alignment is also part of what we do, keeping your car safe when it counts. We carry a large stock of tyres from a wide range of manufacturers, so meeting your needs won't be a problem. Sometimes a tyre becomes damaged rather than worn. We can repair most damaged tyres and we offer a free safety check. For more details and to make an appointment for a day and time to suit you, simply call us or visit our website.